Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on self-esteem. The question is, what about the self-fulfilling prophecy? Kit, I've discovered that if I think a certain way, I act a certain way, and then people react to me just the way I thought they would. Weird. I wonder, if my self-esteem was more positive, my self-concept more confident, would my outcomes be different? Could I control my destiny? Well, I do believe if we have a command of our self-concept and a positive self-esteem, we can produce a different result. What you're referring to is called the self-fulfilling prophecy. The self-fulfilling prophecy occurs when a person's expectations of an outcome and subsequent behavior make the outcome more likely to occur. There are two types of self-fulfilling prophecies. The first occurs when your own expectations influence your behavior. The other type of self-fulfilling prophecy occurs when others' expectations governs your actions. I'm sure you remember playing sports and psyching yourself up and then you could perform at a higher level. And I'm sure you've looked forward to a social event and had a blast. The opposite is true too. Worrying about your performance before an athletic event and it doesn't go so well. Or reluctantly attending a social event you didn't expect to enjoy and you had an awful time. The expectations of others can have the same effect. We have all heard of the research studies in education and medicine. Teachers were told in advance they were getting students that showed unusual potential for intellectual growth, even though the students were randomly selected. The teacher's behavior led to changes in the children's performance. In medicine, patients who unknowingly receive placebos may respond favorably as if they had received an effective drug. I remember in computer science class the concept of junk in and junk out. How about a new phrase, positive in, positive out? I like it. So if I think a different way, I will act a different way, and then people may react in a different way, just the way I thought they may, and that would, in a way, change my entire day. Yay! Thank you for watching this video blog on self-esteem. So the question was, what about the self-fulfilling prophecy? What you think has a tremendous impact on your approach. Approach life with a positive outlook and enjoy the positive outcomes. If your team is thinking things aren't going well, apply the self-fulfilling prophecy and change the framework to help your team work. Contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation that will promote successful results.